Have you ever dreamed of earning money through mobile apps? It seems easy, right? Just a few taps, and you're on your way to quick cash. But the reality is far from what it seems. Many money-making mobile apps come with privacy concerns that put your personal information at risk. Your name, email address, and even your location can be accessed by app developers or third-party companies. Imagine the implications of sharing your personal data with unknown parties. But it's not just privacy concerns. The illusion of quick cash can lead to disappointment. Get-rich-quick promises are often nothing more than empty illusions. Mobile apps may require a significant amount of time and effort with little return. The truth is that making substantial money through mobile apps is rare. So, before you dive into the world of money-making mobile apps, do your research. Look for reviews, check the app's privacy policy, and understand the risks involved. Protect your privacy and manage your expectations. Remember, there's more to life than just chasing quick cash through mobile apps. Enjoy the real world and the countless opportunities it offers.